initial thoughts po on that latest setback this season?
I really think we gave ourselves a good fighting chance, no, in this game. And at the same time, I felt that the 50-50 calls, especially in the fourth quarter, went UP's way. And even, I think even during the last possession, after the timeout, I just told the players not to foul anymore. And the referee still called the foul. So I don't know why. You do your research. Why? No? Because that's already a lost game, right? Especially if you don't foul. So
any particular calls po that you
no, that last foul. The instruction from our bench was not to foul anymore and lose by 4 points. Yun ang sabi ko, just try to force a 5-second violation. If not, you trap right away. And please don't foul. So I'll take a 4-point loss. But the referee still called. So we lost by 5. I don't know why. So
it's gonna be a tougher climb for you. 5-7 in what has been a very ultra-competitive tournament. And we talked about yung level of competition. Yung mga makakalaban nyo, mas mabigat. Your outlook heading to that final 2 games.
sabi ko nga, the good thing is, despite the loss today, we still control our chances. No? We take care of business the next 2 games, then most likely we play our favorite knockout game for the final, for the 4th spot. So again, just like what I said last year, diba? If every year we do this, then we'll be ready for that one. And I'm consistent. Sana, just like what I said last week, or 2 weeks, the last game. I just hope they give us a good fighting chance.
Sinong day, coach? Sinong...
kahit sino. Sino na lang. Baka mamaya may... bahala na kayo kung sino si Day. Okay? But I just hope they give us. No? Sabi ko nga sa inyo today, I felt the 50-50 calls went UP's way. Diba? So, sana naman magkaroon kami. That increase our chances.
Coach,
because ang 50-50, ang 50-50 is 50-50. Could go either way. But it cannot go one way ang 50-50. Diba? That's, diba? Intindihin niyo yun. I don't know. Yes. Then it's not 50-50 anymore. It always goes to one side. So it becomes, 60-40 or 51-49. Diba? So, sa akin lang is, it was a good fighting chance. Because you know why? Sayang ang effort ng mga bata. You're robbing the kids of their future. For a lot of them. Diba? Marami nanonood sa kanila. Yan ang hindi naiintindihan ng ibang tao. Na if they perform well, then they have a good future, diba? Sa basketball. Akala nila just one game. Akala nila just one game that they're taking away from these kids. No, it's not one game. It's a season and the future of the players. Buti ko pagtatrabahuhin nila yan after this. So, hindi naman di ba?
Coach, so the losses you experienced recently were really tight games. So what do you think were factors that led to those losses, and how will you fix them going up against Ateneo and Lasal in your last 2 games?
Well, to begin with, we are playing stronger teams than us. So, diba, LU last game, ngayon, UP, these are perceived favorites of the AAP. Even FPU is a strong team.
Yeah.
So hindi given ang mananalo ka sa kanila, di ba? It's an uphill climb every time. Kaya nga, sabi ko, you give us a 50-50 good chance then, di ba? Because we're making ourselves stronger than what's on paper. So,
but do you like your chances considering that Ateneo and Lasal have been vulnerable this year?
Well, I see that. I see what you see. That's why, again, sa amin, tapos lang, bigyan mo kami ng magandang kasi pagtalo naman kami because of ourselves, ang dali-dali. Diba? So,
Coach, how do you...
do not rob the kids of their future. Ganda nun, di ba?
How do you, coach, usually po, how do you sort of compose the team, especially in situations like this na, ayun nga, gaya na nabanggit niyo what was supposed to be 50-50 chance?
We always say, well, we acknowledge that. I actually mentioned that to the players. Na I felt the 50-50 calls went the other team's way. So kailangan alam nila yun. And the reason why I tell that to them is so that they know na if we want to increase our chances of winning, di ba, we need yung controllables namin. Yun ang ayusin namin. Kasi hindi naman namin kontrolado. But the mistakes, we lessen. But today, sabi nga namin, medyo marami. Si Allen Perez played a really good game today. Diba? He was plus something, ganyan. But he committed a mistake in the end. Sabi ko nga, don't let that dictate your next games. Diba? Tandaan mo yung magandang laro mo. Diba? But he's a kid. He's a young player. So, he'll learn that. He'll grow. Those are our controllables na pwede namin makorek. But the 50-50, it shouldn't be 51-49 or 60-40.
Coach, naalala niyo